In our earlier video, we have already seen how to create a difference between the columns in existing pivot table. Now we see how to format the number in a smart way. We'll right click on the number, go to number format, and you have custom here, and in type general you just select and give a backspace, and with the help of Windows plus dot key, that is Windows plus full stop, you have emojis available. Give arrow. I'm going to give positive up arrow for positive sign and down arrow for negative sign. We'll click on the up button, upward button, and give a semicolon. Again press Windows plus dot key and give arrow. You see the down arrow for negative, and close this. Now I am going to define my color with the square bracket, open square bracket. I am going to give green for positive numbers, and after the semicolon give a open square bracket. I am going to give red for red and close the bracket, and red for negative number. If I click OK, you can see our difference number. Wherever we have negative, turn to red down arrow, and wherever we had positive, it turned to green up arrow. This is a smart way number formatting.